Mine burnt.
Oh, it's so dark.
She was telling there's a carcinogenic,
Carcinogenic.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah, now I got it. Not bad enough I smoke, but now I can eat it.
Summertime pero ibang weather. It's 9 degrees kaya nilalamig ang si Brad.
ayun the vlog. Mali yung pantalong ko.
Mali yung pantalon niya. Masyado manipis. Pero malamig talaga. Lamig. Lamig sa kamay.
9 eh.
9. Yung dalawa. Ganda. Napakaganda. Sobrang ganda. Busok.
Mahulay pa ka ng woods dito. Yan. Hindi na daw nagdala sa ito.
Site 10 to 12. Wow. Is it false? Sounds?
There's a creek down there. There's a
Oh,
little
that's
stream.
a creek? Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Train?
Oh, we're just waiting for Renee.
Hi.
Then we're gonna go down that way where those people are going.
Yeah.
Now, do you want steep or steep? It says that one's moderate, but they're both steep.
Can I go to Mother?
You want to go left? Okay, let's go left. That sign is always there, and there's no bear, so don't be scared.
Warning. But warning.
It's literally always there. It's just they just put it there so that people don't leave food out in their
Warning. Bear area.
Friendly bear.
Yeah.
Ayun no.
Hey,
Vlog. Welcome to my vlog.
say.
No, you recognize me.
Oh, the rain.
Muulan kasi kaya masyadong malamig.
Sino ba nag-isip nito?
O kaya nasa ano kami. 9 degrees. Muulan.
Oh, so this the mother bit.
It's moderate. Ooh. Patayin ko muna. Medyo madulas.